Okay, what's your go-to excuse when you are late on set?
Mumbai traffic. The journey never ends.
Oh,
Drop everything to open. Lambi list hai. Ranbir Kapoor. Yes, I've googled myself. What's the weirdest thing?
अभी
That-
टाइम हो चुका है रैपिड फायर के लिए. It's a quick
Oh,
rapid fire and you have to quickly answer that.
Okay.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, what's your go-to excuse when you are late on set?
Mumbai traffic. It's the lamest, but it's true.
If a biopic is made on you, what it would be titled?
Oh, what would it be titled? The journey never ends.
Oh, that was very deep. One actor you would drop everything to work with.
Drop everything to open. Lambi list hai. Ranbir Kapoor.
Have you ever Googled yourself what's the weirdest thing you found?
Yes, I've googled myself. What's the weirdest thing? ऐसा कुछ अभी याद नहीं आ रहा है मुझे, honestly.
Oh.
हाँ जी.
If you were invisible for a day, what's the first thing you would have done?
What's the if I was invisible, maybe I would get into some celebrity's house and see how they live their life, what they're doing, how they're spending the day.
किसका घर
Because
पहले छान
invisible ना.
मारती? पहले किसका घर छान मारती?
अरे बहुत लोगों का. I think I'll go to some actress's house and see, you know, how's their lifestyle.
कौन
what
कौन
they do.
सबसे पहले कौन रहेगा लिस्ट में?
प्रियंका चोपड़ा के घर चले
हाँ,
जाते
हाँ,
हैं.
हाँ, हाँ.
हाँ.
फिर आपको
देखने
बाहर
में
का
मजा आएगा. फिर इसी बहाने I will travel also.
One thing you would ban if you become the film industry minister.
Ban. I don't know. Ban क्या करना है मुझे? Maybe not ban, but maybe better working hours. Now that
Oh.
we spoke about it.
Weirdest fan DM you have ever received?
A lot of fan DMs which are weird. तो ऐसा एक नहीं है, बहुत सारे.
ऐसा कौन सा एक है जो
बहुत
अभी भी
सारे.
रिमेम्बर है?
They just start giving you video calls and phone calls. कह रहे
हाँ.
फोन तो उठा लो. It start पहले होगा कि we loved your performance.
हाँ.
फिर होगा we are a really big fan of you. Cut to फोन क्यों नहीं उठा रही हो? कब से कॉल कर रहा हूँ? मैसेज का रिप्लाई क्यों नहीं दे रही हो? You know they become so that's थोड़ा weird.
Have you ever used your celebrity status to skip a queue?
No, never.
What's the first thing you do after waking up?
First thing I do, I try to meditate after I wake up.
Your 3 a.m. food craving, sweet or spicy or peaceful mind?
Sweet all the time.
Ah.
I crave not only 3 a.m. all day.
Okay. What's your most useless or useful hidden talent?
Useless and useful. I think I have a good sense of humor. That's what I've been told.
क्या बात है?
So useful भी हो जाता है because it's a good icebreaker and you know then you can lighten up the room. And अगर कुछ serious भी होता है तो I can just crack a joke and get over it. Yeah.
Craziest thing a director has ever asked you to do on set?
Nothing yet.
What's one role you wish you had done from any film?
One role, Gangubai, Alia Bhatt.
क्या बात है?
मजेदार था यार वो performance and she's done such a fab job.
अगर मिमिक करने हुआ तो ऐसा कुछ कर सकोगे?
नहीं करना भी नहीं चाहती.
एक डायलॉग.
नहीं करना भी नहीं चाहती. नहीं बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
Okay. More terrifying, live interviews or audition in rooms?
I think interviews. Audition में तो मतलब आप you know you don't have to be yourself. मतलब you are playing a character. तो जो character का करना है वो है. यहाँ पे कभी-कभी you have to be a little like what you're saying.
You have to be mindful of
Mindful,
your answer.
Yeah, mindful.
Okay.
Because people just quote anything then. Yeah.
Okay, if acting didn't exist, what would Aditi Shetty be doing right now?
Maybe I would be interviewing someone,
हाँ.
something like that, or maybe dancing. Because
क्या
I've
बात
done
है?
mass
हाँ.
media. I'm a mass media student.
क्या बात है? क्या
I've
बात
been
है?
on the other side and then yeah.
क्या बात है? Okay, now further questions are related about your lifestyle and vibes. Okay, gym lover or yoga girl?
Gym lover. I love lifting weights.
What's the most expensive thing you have regret buying?
Regret buying?
Hmm.
No, I don't have regret. मैं बहुत सोच समझ के ही buy करती हूँ.
One app on your phone you are addicted to?
App on my phone, Instagram.
Accept that. Everyone.
ChatGPT.
Would you survive without your phone for 48 hours?
Difficult है, but I would, yeah.
What's your current Netflix or OTT binge obsession?
माय करंट नेटफ्लिक्स OTT बिंज, मैंने तो लास्ट अभी मेरा शो ही देखा है, राना नायडू.
I was expecting the same. Rana Naidu.
हाँ तो अभी मेरा शो आया है नेटफ्लिक्स पे तो मैं देखूंगी ना यार.
Okay, thank you so much, Aditi, for
Thank
giving
you.
your precious time for this interview, and we had a great, lovely chat with you.
Same
All
here.
the very best for your future projects,
Thank
and
you.
yes, best of luck.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.